Hi, I'm Dr. Bass's wife, Sarah. We are going to be going on the Tour du Mont Blanc hike from June 5th through June 15th with a day off in the middle. We've got a his and her packing list video for you today. Okay, I've got everything laid out here outside, top to bottom. So starting off, I've got a ball cap that will shield my face from the sun, a pair of sunglasses that will fit underneath the brim of the hat. Because we're going to be traveling in the snow, I've got a warm cap here as well. 2 pairs of shoes. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to bring yet. We've talked to a couple different consultants who are guides for the hike, and they said either will work. It's personal preference. Some swear by the boots. Some say trail runners are fine. I think I'm going to be using my trail runners. Because we're going to be hiking through quite a bit of snow almost every day, there's going to be a patch or two. We've got these micro spikes that you hook to the bottom of your shoes, and they make it a little bit easier to get traction in the snow and the ice. Here are some trekking poles. I was really against the idea of using poles because I've never hiked with them before, but I hear that over the course of 10 days, they're really necessary to take the weight off of your joints, your arms. They really lighten the load and help you navigate some tricky, rocky, and snowy spots. Okay, moving over here, I've got a rain jacket. Just a lighter coat that I can throw over a t-shirt or a tank top if I need to. I've got these dry fit shirts that are real slim fit, 2 t-shirts, 3 tank tops, 4 sports bras. Then over here, I've got the bottom half of me here, 3 pairs of yoga pants, a mid-length pair of yoga pants, 2 pairs of shorts, a bunch of socks, a bunch of underwear, and a bathing suit. On our day off, we have access to a spa across from our hotel, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be taking advantage of the jacuzzi over there to give our muscles a rest. This is one loungewear set that I plan on wearing as my pajamas every night or on our day off as we're walking around town. These shoes here are like plastic Tevas. Definitely not attractive, but they are waterproof, so I plan on wearing these in the shower at the Refugios and then also just wearing them around the Refugios. What I've heard is you are not allowed to wear your trail runners or your boots inside the Refugios, so you do have to come prepared with your own shoes to wear around, or sometimes they provide Crocs or things like that for you. I didn't want to share shoes, so I'm bringing my own. This is a dry microfiber towel that I'll use for the showers. A lot of Refugios do not provide towels. This is what's called a sleeping bag liner. It's essentially a liner of sheets. A lot of the Refugios will require that. They want to protect their beds, and they probably also don't want to provide sheets all the time, but they will provide a outer blanket and a pillow for you, but this will cover underneath the outer blanket and it will cover the pillow that they provide. Okay, this is my cosmetic case, and truth be told, I'm probably going to be putting this in my husband's pack because it is a little bit heavier, but in this I have stuff for blisters, vitamin pack. In here I have some special tea I like to drink, hair ties, contacts, glasses, feminine products, sunscreen is a must. This is how I'm doing shampoo and conditioner. It's actually a shampoo and conditioner bar, razor, soap. I'm bringing a full-size deodorant, which I know is controversial because of weight, but I'm just doing it. And then toothpaste is for the 2 of us for 10 days. Toothbrush, a little brush, contact solution, probiotics. This is soap that can be used for anything, but I'm going to use it for laundry midway through our trip. One of our Refugios has a laundry service, so I'm going to be using that. And then ibuprofen, of course. And so that's the extent of my cosmetics. Okay, moving on over here. Now this is what I've got planned for sleep. The Refugios can be really crowded and you're sharing spaces and things like that. So to protect my sleep, I've got earplugs and then this sleep mask that actually Bluetooths to your phone and plays either white noise or music through the ear parts, and it actually works pretty good. I've tested that out. In the Refugios, we've got a adapter to charge our phones at night. One is for France and Italy, and one is for Switzerland. This is a backup battery for our phones, just in case we end up stranded in the middle of nowhere and our phones die. So there's that. Obviously, a charging cord. We've got food every night in the Refugios served to us, dinner and then breakfast in the mornings. We're going to either get a packed lunch at the Refugios or just stop in the little towns and have lunch. But if we do have a snack emergency, these Aloha bars are awesome. There's 14 grams of protein in each of those, and they are organic, GMO-free, and refined sugar-free, so I highly recommend Aloha bars. Then last but not least, we have our passports here. Probably going to give this to Mike to carry. And then we have a little journal that I plan on using as I'm traveling, just a really lightweight journal. And then this is the backpack I've chosen. It is the Osprey Kite 38-liter bag. It holds everything really well. And now I'm going to show you a little speed up video of me getting all of this inside of here. Okay, done. Okay, I've got everything in here except for, and it's a big except, this stuff here.
Hi, it's Dr. Bass. Now I'm going to go over the his part of the packing list, which is really similar. And at the end, I'm going to try to see if I can fit all of these supplies and these in my bag. First off, I should note that we both will have water bottles. This is my trendy water bottle here. This is the book that we use and map that we use to plan our itinerary of the Tour du Mont Blanc. We'll be starting in Courmayeur in the north of Italy and then going clockwise. I'm bringing this notebook with me because I like to journal and I don't want to carry a heavy journal with me, so I'll bring that along. These are my trekking poles, hat, sunglasses, warmer hat, a buff for my neck to keep me warm. These are the boots I chose to go with. They're probably a bit of an overkill. The guy at REI talked me into them, but I do really like them. These are micro spikes that go with these to handle ice, essentially. From what we understand, we're likely going to be crossing glaciers this time of year, so these are absolutely necessary. Then these are my trendy Tiva sandals that I picked up at Marshall's for our downtime. Over here I have a raincoat, and then all this is dry fit. So I have 2 long sleeve shirts, 4 short sleeve shirts. This is a towel in here, and then this is my sleeping bag liner. Up here again, dry fit. I've got 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shorts, and swim trunks. Then these are for casual wear here, my socks. These underwear are for the hike here, and these are for downtime. And then over here, I have my toothpaste or toothbrush, and our other supplies are in there. And then I've of course got the Aloha bars. And this is my Osprey pack. It's 38 liter.
Okay, so we managed to get everything that you've seen in the video inside of these 2 packs. Then we weighed them. My pack weighs 19 pounds and Mike's pack weighs 28 pounds. Remember, I gifted him with some of my stuff and put it in his bag. Now, we just want to say as a final disclaimer that this is the first time we've ever done a multi-day hike. You might be reading other blogs, watching other videos with packing lists. Ours does differ a little bit. We have chosen to bring some extra clothes, some full-size cosmetics, things like that. We'll see if it works. Check our channel back later, and thanks for watching.